Hey, it's Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the LilyPad Leap. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floor really well. A clean surface helps the image shake properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. Here, I'm laying out the LilyPads how I like them. We also provide a suggested layout guide if you need guidance. Next, I'm going to peel away the backing to take my image off. I'm sticking the top of the LilyPad down first, then using my squeegee to apply firm pressure while moving downwards. I'll repeat that motion to apply all my LilyPads. If your floors are tile, I would suggest using the tile to help place the LilyPads evenly. And that's it. See you next time.